Hi everybody. This week we're going to learn about different types of bowings that you do on your string instrument. So this video is for everybody, even if you don't have your instrument at home right now, you're still going to learn what these are called and be able to define them. They're all Italian terms because the School of Playing String Instruments and the design of our instruments originated in Italy. I'm going to play a song called Perpetual Motion to demonstrate all the different terms. It's just a simple tune and it uses the same, eighth note pattern. It doesn't have a lot of fancy rhythms, and that's just a really good way to demonstrate the different bowings. So the first term that you want to know is legato. You've heard this before. It just means smooth. So it's just basically any smooth bowing is legato. Okay, so that's just a general term, and that's the first part of the song Perpetual Motion that I was talking about. The next term, number 2, is détaché. Détaché means detached but smooth. So it's separate but smooth. You play it in the middle of the bow, and it's for a little bit faster speed than what I just showed you earlier. So détaché sounds like this. Okay, détaché, smooth and separate. The next term we're going to learn, this is number 3, is martelé. Martelé means like marked. It means short and separate and on the string. The bow stays connected to the string the whole time. It doesn't come off. So martelé sounds like this. And when you do martelé, you can use just the middle of your bow or you can use the whole bow. All right, moving on to the next one is called staccato. Staccato is a short bow stroke. It is not quite as on the string as martelé. Okay, so staccato just means short. You can do staccato in the middle of the bow. You can do staccato in the bottom part of your bow. And it does come off the string a little bit, but what I'm doing is I'm lifting the bow at the end of every note, and I'm making the bow come on and off. So staccato. Okay, so staccato is short and off the string. And the last one to know, spiccato. Spiccato means a bounced bow. It's going to come off the string. On your bow, you have a balance point where if you were to try and balance, I'm going to just put my violin down. You're gonna find the part in your bow where your frog and bottom half of the bow are balancing. I'm just balancing it on my thumb, and it means this side is equal weight to this side. Now my frog is very heavy, so the balance point of the bow is about 1/3 of the way away from the frog. And then 2/3 of the bow here because the frog is so heavy. Every bow has a slightly different balance point. So what I want you to do is pick up your bow and see if you can find the balance point of your bow. And wherever this is, it's the part where the bow is naturally going to bounce. And that's what spiccato is. It's where the bow naturally bounces off the string. I'm going to get my violin. Okay, it's going to be a faster bow stroke. And I'll just demonstrate on open A for you so you can see it. I'm just letting the bow bounce and come back, and then I'm making a little bit of a U shape with my wrist and my hand to create that spiccato. All right, so these are the terms we did. Legato just means smooth. Détaché means smooth and separate. Martelé is short and on the string. Staccato is short and off the string. And spiccato is a short bounced bow. All right, so in the assignment with this video, I'm going to have you write the definitions to each of these terms. And if you have your instrument at home, you can give them a try. If not, you'll know what they are for next year.